I'm Tanma. Before you ask, no, isn't some kind of high quality videos that looks great in every episode. So yeah, just for this episode, I will just give you all a room tour. This is my room background. I don't know why it twitches. Just in case if you all are curious about my drawer in here. It's just a little guy living here. Let me take you guys for a close look. Absolutely not, green shit. You have to stay alive so you can be with me forever. Lesson for the day. Yay! Don't trust strangers or you will end up like fucking green shit.